Do subscribe our Techno Guru class channel and please don't forget to press that bell icon to receive further updates.
Hello friends, I'm Mitesh. Welcome to our Techno Guru class channel and welcome to the series of OOPS in C++ also. Here now I'm going to show you in this program how to implement multiple inheritance we did previously. What we call as single level inheritance, then multi-level inheritance. It's not single level, it's single inheritance, then multi-level inheritance. Now something we'll see about multiple inheritance. Now what is multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance means where we have multiple parents and we have like a single child for that. So that is something called multiple inheritance. Multiple means it's multiple parents, you can assume. So multiple parents and single child, that way you can say multiple inheritance. Fine. Here as I told you, we'll create multiple parents. So let's say I'll create one class over here, class parent 1, and okay, content I'll write afterwards. I'll just create class, so parent 2, these are my two classes, and I'll have one class called child. So these are the three classes. As I said, parent 1 and parent 2. I mean, these are two classes are the parents of child. So basically, child is inheriting something from parent 1 and parent 2. So basically, here you have to write parent public parent 1 comma public parent 2. This is the syntax that we have to use for doing multiple inheritance. When when we are doing multiple class inheritance over here, then we have to mention classes name with the comma. Should separate these things with comma over here. Fine. Next thing I'll show you over here is basically I'm going to create class child's object, correct? So I created child object over here. Now let's assume like I have a function over here called like I'll keep it public, or you can say yeah public. I'll create one function over here called car. Okay, and here I'll write cout this is parent one, sorry, parent one car. Fine. And now here again I'll create one more function. Let's say void bike. Okay. Here I'll write something cout. This is parent to bike. Fine. We have two functions over here. One in parent one, second in parent two. Now here what I'll do is I have created one object of child. Now let's say what happens if I call function called car through child's object. So here basically what is going to happen is like I have created object of child. Okay, so basically I'm asking car from child, correct, because this object belongs to child. So I'm asking child a car function, but then I'll go over here. Child will see I don't have car function with me. So child will do what? Child found that I have two classes over here inherited. So what he will do basically, he will go and ask for this car function from both these classes. So now what is going to happen is parent 2 is not having car, but parent 1 is having car function, correct? So here I will get car function return. So when I run this program, let's say I compile. Oh, one error is there. Let's see what is that. Mm, oh, correct. End error. Typo mistake. Okay. I'll just execute it. You can see I got parent 1 car. And let's say I call again bike when we have bike, but it's in uh, parent 2's class, correct? So I just execute it. I'll get that parent2 bike. Okay. Fine. These things are clear. There could be one scenario, like, let's say, the name of this function is also car, and parent1 is also having one car function. Okay, so this is something ambiguity over here. I'll just tell you what is ambiguity. I will have both different printing statement over here. I'll write this is parent2, sorry, I'll write this together, parent2 car. Fine. Now what is going to happen over here is, I'll not call this car function right now. So now when I call this car function, child will say I don't have car function right now with me. So child will do what? He'll ask help from his parent1 and parent2. So in this scenario, parent1 and parent2 both are having car functions. So what this parent1 and parent2 will do, they will pass their car functions to child. I'm not saying single function, it's functions, like you'll get car function from parent 1 and car function from parent 2. So we are getting two car functions over here, correct? So this is something ambiguous. So let's say I execute this program, you'll get one error. Let's see what is that error. Member is ambiguous. Why it is ambiguous? Because we are calling a single function, but we are getting multiple copies of that function, correct? We are getting one from parent 1, as you can see over here, and one is getting from parent 2. So here compiler is confused, like which car function should I execute. So this is something ambiguous. You cannot I mean, compiler by default cannot understand this, so we should make them understand. Like if I want parent one's car, so I'll just write ob dot, but I'll mention over here parent one, and I'll mention the label. I mean, this is something called label. We put the scope resolution over here and we put the class name. So that means I'm expecting parent one's car function. Let's say I execute this. Cool. You can see. Now it'll show you for 2 as well. So I'll just see working. Hope you guys understood this. What I'm trying to say is, here it was ambiguous. Now it's working fine when I specified that basically from which class function I want this car. Correct. Okay. Thank you for watching this. I'll be coming with further videos for inheritance. There are multiple types of inheritance we saw in my inheritance introduction video. So we'll meet you in next video. Thank you so much.